Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. Now I will be using a capo for the chords to make it easy, but I'm also going to teach you guys without it if you don't have it. So starting with the chords, first chord we're going to use with the capo is a A minor to a G, F, so A minor, G, F, and E. This is with the capo on the first fret. Now without it, we're going to be using bar chords, so we're going to use the D flat minor to a A flat or G sharp, into an S sharp, and then F. G sharp, F sharp, F. Alright, so for the strum pattern for this, it's not really a guitar type of song. You do hear the bass in there, but what I do with this one is just going down, down, up, down, down. So. Pretty much all that I do for the strumming. You guys can play along with the song. There's also parts where you can just do whole notes. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the ukulele version of this. But I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.